Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Masood and today we're going to explore a unique approach to improving listening skills for English learners. Watching movies is fun, right? But did you know it can also be one of the best tools for enhancing your English skills? While many people believe that movies mainly improve listening, they can strengthen your reading, vocabulary and pronunciation as well. In today's video, I'll share two powerful techniques to make your movie watching sessions much more effective for your listening skills. The first method is delayed subtitle. Many learners find it challenging to comprehend native speakers, especially when they talk quickly, use idioms, or have unique accents. That's where movies come into play. This is a game changer. Here is how it works. You set a delay of approximately 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds for the subtitle to appear after the characters speak. What does this accomplish? It compels you to rely on your listening skills first. You have the opportunity to truly listen to the dialogue before the text appears on the screen. This technique engages your brain more effectively, which is why it works so well for listening practice. When you don't have the immediate support of subtitles, you must focus on pronunciation and intonation and even guess the meaning of what's being said. When the subtitles do appear, you receive instant feedback to assess how well you understood. Now, we're going to watch a sample and do an example together.
Where you can be free. But this world is a lie. This world deserves to die. Because this is your world. We've lived by your rules long enough. We can save this world. We can burn it to the ground, and from the ashes, build a new world. Our world.
So, next time you watch a movie, give this delay trick a try. You can use video players like VLC or specific subtitle delay tools to implement it. It's simple but incredibly effective.
You know why they put oxygen masks on planes? So you can breathe. Oxygen gets you high. In a catastrophic emergency, you're taking giant panic breaths. Suddenly you become euphoric, docile. You accept your fate.
Now, the second technique involves doing practical exercises with the movies you watch. Here is what I suggest. After watching a movie scene, take a few moments to pause and repeat the sentence aloud.
You got the house. Nobody voted to help Obama. Like, nobody voted. Right now?
Imitating the tone, pronunciation, and speed of the actors. This practice is especially beneficial if you want to achieve natural, fluent-sounding English. Another option is to write down the sentences you found challenging, then listen to them multiple times while repeating them as you go. This repetition not only strengthens your listening skills, but also reinforces vocabulary and sentence structures in your memory. The more you practice, the easier it will be to understand similar sentences in the future. Both of these techniques require you to actively engage with what you hear, making them highly effective. By using delayed subtitles, you're training your ears to pick up details before seeing the written words. With the practical exercises, you're training your brain and mouth to respond naturally in English, almost like muscle memory. You'll be amazed at how quickly these techniques can improve your listening skills. So, if you're ready to make movie time productive, give these techniques a try. Start with just one scene from a favorite movie and see how you do. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it went for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for more tips on improving your English skills. I'll be sharing more tools, techniques and exercises to take your learning to the next level. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone learning English. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.